Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a GE washing machine. To perform a hard reset on a GE washing machine, there are some steps to follow. First of all, you have to unplug your GE washing machine from the power outlet. This will ensure the safety during the reset process. After that, you have to leave the machine unplugged for about 1 to 5 minutes. After the waiting period, you have to plug the washing machine back to the power outlet. After that, the reset procedure may vary slightly depending on the model of your GE washing machine. For machine with electronic control, after plugging it back in, you have to press and hold the start button for 5 seconds to reset the machine. And for the model with the mechanical control, you might need to turn the dial to specific settings such as spin and then press the start button. If you have the user manual for your specific GE washing machine model, refer it to any model specific reset instruction. Once your GE washing machine is reset, after that you have to start the washing machine to see the issue is resolved or not. Hopefully this video will help you to hard reset your GE washing machine. Thanks for watching.